sometimes mention AP. Can you tell us the difference?
Sure. Actually, it's a long question. It's the difference between AP and IB, and that's a long difference. I actually have a comparison chart on the IB website on DCC's IB page in the diploma program. So, but Billy, actually, who took an AP and an IB class? Okay, so let's hear from that. But if you want to actually see a couple differences, it is on the IB website. Or next Thursday night, I'm doing another IB presentation where we compare. That's part of the presentation as well. Okay, go.
Okay, most of us actually ended up taking AP US History our sophomore year. So a lot of us had that experience. But then my senior year, took both AP Calculus and IB Math at the same time. And that experience was very interesting. Not necessarily difficult, because you're learning the same thing in both classes, so it's kind of like taking the same class twice. And I actually ended up getting credit for my AP class and not for my IB class. The AP class was a lot of, you do problems. You get a problem set from the book that's like 30, 40 problems long, and they're all just very methodical. You work through each set of 10 problems, pretty much the exact same problem, just with different numbers. In IB, we'd probably get 4 or 5 problems for a night that would all be completely different from each other and about world examples, like building a bridge or dogs running or something. And so there's a fewer problems, but they're more in-depth than what you have to do. It's more problem solving. And so AP is a lot more methodical and very analytical, while IB is a lot more in-depth and you have to think through each problem.
Anybody want to add to that description? No, you're looking now, we're good. I think that's actually a good description, because AP is very focused on the information you get in that class in that year, and that's what you test on, where DP is a little more in-depth and application-wise, like how to apply what you learned in that class to other situations, other problems. That's kind of the major difference between the two as far as philosophy in the classes.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.